You should never have to convince someone to choose you. If every message feels calculated, every meet feels uncertain, and deep down you feel like you're trying to earn her interest, then listen closely. The harder you push, the more distant she becomes. And the truth most men avoid is this: when something is right, it doesn't feel forced. If you're always the one starting conversations, planning meets, and keeping things alive, you're not building a connection, you're carrying it. Ask yourself honestly, if you stopped reaching out today, would anything happen? Real interest doesn't disappear when you go quiet. It moves closer. Yes, men naturally lead, but there's a difference between leading and chasing. When someone is genuinely into you, effort flows both ways. She finds reasons to talk to you. She makes time without being asked. If all she does is respond while you initiate everything, you're not being chosen. You're being tolerated. And when someone knows you'll always show up no matter how little they give, your effort stops being valued and starts being expected. That's when respect fades. If you feel like you're chasing your own partner, something is already wrong. Another hard truth: love shouldn't make you anxious. If you're constantly analyzing her tone, timing, or energy, if a delayed reply throws off your mood, that's not attraction. That's emotional stress. You shouldn't be afraid to speak your mind or ask for clarity just to keep someone around. A real connection calms you. It doesn't keep you on edge. What traps a lot of men is the emotional roller coaster. Long periods of distance followed by short moments of warmth. Those rare good moments feel powerful, so you hold on to them as proof that she cares. But attention given occasionally isn't love. It's just enough to keep you attached. Then comes the excuses. You start explaining her behavior to yourself. She's busy. She's healing. She's not good at expressing emotions. But when someone truly wants you, you don't have to decode their behavior. They show up consistently. You are not here to fix someone. You're not responsible for making them emotionally available. If she wanted to show effort, she would. And deep down, you already know that. Another sign you're forcing it is when you can't fully be yourself. You watch your words, you hold back opinions. You tone down your personality so you don't push her away. That's not connection. That's self-betrayal. Attraction doesn't grow from playing it safe. It grows from authenticity. If someone can only tolerate a watered-down version of you, they don't really want you. And the most dangerous lie of all is waiting for things to get better, waiting for clarity, waiting for effort, waiting for her to change. Potential keeps you stuck longer than reality ever will. Ask yourself this honestly: if nothing changes, would you still be happy staying? If the answer is no, then staying is already costing you. Real love doesn't require endurance. You don't earn it by suffering. You don't have to prove your worth to the right person. If something feels forced, it probably is. And the longer you stay, the more of yourself you lose. You deserve someone who chooses you without hesitation, not someone you have to convince. Let go of what drains you so you can make space for what actually meets you halfway.